These are banana muffins with raisins. I love my banana muffins with a little twist, and this time I decided to add some raisins for natural sweetness and all that antioxidants these raisins give. So to make these banana cakes, these are my ingredients, and we're gonna go over the ingredients as we begin. So I have some evaporated milk. I have banana, those really overripe bananas for natural sweetness. I have here uh, flour. I have eggs, um, some oil, sugar, and this pan has a couple of things. I have baking powder, baking soda, nutmeg, vanilla extract, some raisins here, and also coconut flakes. And these coconut flakes, I just like that chewiness it gives to my banana muffins. So to begin the process, I'm going to mash the bananas. Remember, we want the super ripe bananas because they're gonna give us that sweetness. So when you have overripe bananas like this, these are perfect for banana muffins. So we gonna mash those bananas, mash them real good in a mixing bowl. That's the first step. I'm just gonna mash them to get smooth, not smooth, just a paste. Then I'll add in some 2 eggs, as you can see. I'll just crack the eggs, pour in both egg white and egg yolk. We're not separating them. We're just putting everything together. So I'll crack in those eggs and then I'll give it a good mash, a good mix. And just gonna mix that real good for a couple of minutes. Yeah, banana muffins are really easy to make. And once you get everything mixed up, it's fine. Then I'll have vegetable oil, that's a quarter cup. I have some evaporated milk, that's also a quarter cup. And then I'll give it a good mix again. Then I'll add in some sugar, that's a quarter cup as well. And then half a teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 tablespoon of coconut flakes. Then I have half a teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda as well. So I'm going to put all of that in my mixture and then give it a good mix once again for just a couple of minutes. Once that is done, I'll be bringing in next our flour. This is 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and I'll mix that again. There's a lot of mixing going on here, as you can see. So just give it a good mix. I'll mix that for just a couple of minutes as well. You can mix this with your egg whisk, which I'm going to be switching to in a couple of minutes because I want the mixture to be able to trap in some air so that it can also help it to rise. So I'll just go in with that egg whisk and mix it for just a little bit, and then we're good to go. So I'll bring out my muffin pan or cupcake pan, and then I'm going to line them using this cupcake liner. Just put them at the bottom like that, and next we're going to go in with the butter. So just scoop a little bit of the butter. I normally like to fill it like 3/4 full because it's going to rise, and so of course it's going to bulge out, so you don't want it super super full, otherwise it's just going to spill on your cupcake pan. Okay, then finally I'll be topping it with those raisins. I love these raisins just for natural sweetness, and also some extra fiber and antioxidants that this natural fruit gives. So I'll bake that in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. And these are our banana muffins. They are fluffy, they are moist, and they are yummy. So thanks for watching, and the recipe is below. Bye bye.